For this video, Kizzy Kids sent out this really cool cardboard construction tool set. Now my kids absolutely love building and they want to use tools all the time. This is really nice because you can use the cardboard that's laying around your house. Everyone has Amazon boxes and you can just reuse them to create really cool things. So what's really nice about this kit is that it comes in a toolbox that you can go ahead and keep everything in it when you aren't using it. Now inside the toolbox, you do have two different types of connectors. And then underneath, you can go ahead and lift it off and you have two different size screws. The long ones are really nice depending on how many pieces of cardboard you are connecting to it. And you can see here at the top, that's how you're gonna go ahead and screw it in. So you do have some tools. This one here is a screwdriver. So first you're gonna wanna put a hole through the cardboard with a spike here at the end, and then you're gonna go ahead and just use a screwdriver and screw it right in to connect your pieces. So it does come with this really nice fold ruler too. So if you do need to create a fold, you can go ahead and run it through and it just perforates it so you can go ahead and bend it nice and easy. It does come with two different size saws and the saws are pretty sharp, so it's gonna glide right through that cardboard nice and easy. It also comes with a pair of scissors, so if you want, you can just go ahead and cut right through the cardboard. It also comes with a nice pair of safety gloves too. Now, my kids just love building in general, so you give them this kit and their imaginations just come to life. They're building houses, airplanes, they are just building, they love just putting things together, just multiple pieces of cardboard. They love the fact of just sawing it in half and screwing them together, and then they just come up with something absolutely amazing. So we love using this. It's a great activity you can do right in your living room, and it's gonna keep your kids busy for a really long time. So if you're looking for a cool way to expand your kids' imagination, let them have their own tools to use without using yours and using up all your supplies, this cardboard construction tool set is a great option. Thanks for watching.